Buh! Yeah. For the ladies, them is in. Representing, yeah. Girl, me I tell you are number one. And now me not seen a girl we bad like you. We bad like you.
Mr. Joe.
Oh, you bad, so make man want attack you. When your wine is like a corona lockdown. Girl running at the house and gone lock up. Hide them a hide when I wine, you a wine. Oh, you bad, so make man want attack you. When your wine is like a corona lockdown. Girl running at the house and gone lock up. Hide them a hide when I wine, you a wine. Champagne a pop and she sipping champagne. She make man want attack when she rotate that waist. To the dance hall, them a girl a dedicate. And me love it when they make your body shake. You're cute now your face like you use, but you're clear. You're independent, no depend on no meal. You're bad like a wa, make some gyal get afraid. Your style can't compare. Yeah. Oh, you're bad, so make man want attack you. When your wine is like a corona lockdown. Girl running at them house and gone lock up. Hide them a hide when I wine, you a wine. Oh, you're bad, so make man want attack you. When your wine is like a corona lockdown. Girl running at them house and gone lock up. Hide them a hide when I wine, you a wine. Wine go down slow and then you come back up. Jiggle up your body, then you tick-tock, so when me done with you, you blister up. Drop it like a bomb, cause you hot, so you no play a game, some gyal a mascot. Dance or quarantine, the place locked down. When you wine, gyal, let me call the cops come.
Hey, me I tell you the show, wake up here now again, you know. Hey, big up yourself, the great artist. Me I tell you, I go on G Flames. Hey, trust me, you know. He's a bad artist, you know. You're excited. Let's move on to the judges right now. Our general.
Mr. Joe.
Yeah, G Flames. You know, the artist previously before you forward and forward with two Empress. And you see me, I did him do him thing. You forward out individually. Same context, same find a female song, only thing. Two you powerful, you may call a judge get up and a dance. You need the female them, you know. So you over them, I did love the performance, love the engine, the song bad. The song bad. Yeah, me I tell you, yeah man, you can't know says a song that from it playing a dance, woman then we dance to it. You see me I do and I say right music. So for me it's a 9.
Alright, big up yourself, Original. Thank you for that, Lady Tash.
Mr.
I'm looking
Joe.
for the video and whining Keisha in it. Well, trust me, the vibe do it for me. I love all the contestants them come out. You understand me with them different style, but the vibe is a 9 for me.
Alright, then I go on, you know. Yes, Counselor. Thank you, Lady Tash, for that.
Quick and fast. I mean, it was entertaining. You know, I'll give you a 7.
A 7. Thank you for that. Alright.
Listen, I came out of my chair. I haven't been feeling very well, and you brought me out of my chair. So I give you a 10.
Alright, 10. Boy, she
really
love that jam
enjoy
vibe to his song and I go
really
on with
love
herself.
it.
Hey,
Have
she
to do this
excited for
again.
that one. Hey, you make she move. You know what I mean? G Flames, big up yourself. You mean, me I tell you, the competition getting hot right now.